Welcome to Hidden Hilltop Homestead. Today I'm in the kitchen working on a couple projects with some fresh oranges. These guys are getting kind of close to going bad, so I wanted to get them processed. I'm going to be slicing them and creating dehydrated orange slices, and then I'm also going to be using some of it to make some orange juice and some all-purpose cleaner. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that here. These are a little bit thinner than 1/4 inch slices, and I'm putting them on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. And then I'm going to put that in my oven, and I have it on the lowest setting it can go. That's about 225, I believe. And I'm going to be baking that for about 4 hours. So I only used 2 oranges. I have 2 left over, and I'm going to be cutting the rinds off of these oranges. And then I'm going to take the juice and put it in the freezer for later. But I'm going to cut the rinds off and put them in a jar, and I'm going to fill that jar up with white vinegar. And then I'm going to let that set for about 2 weeks, and that creates the all-purpose cleaner that I use in my kitchen and pretty much everywhere else in my house. So I've just put all those peels in the jar. I'm just going to top it off with vinegar, and then this is going to go in a dark cabinet for 2 weeks while the vinegar infuses with the orange peels. And here I actually have a jar that's probably about 3 weeks old, and it's full of lemons and limes, and this is the same process. I use a strainer and a funnel, and I just dump the jar into another jar, and I'm basically going to squeeze out the lemons and limes to make sure I get all of the vinegar out. I got about 1/3 of a jar, and then I just top it off with tap water. And that sits in my cabinet ready for the next time that I need a cleaner, which you can see in the spray bottle. That's an old batch of orange cleaner. So I go through probably like a jar a month. So anytime I get oranges or any kind of citrus, I like to create this cleaner so that I always have some on hand. And I use the really cool Dymo label maker. It's like a punch label maker, and I think it adds a really cute touch, and it's very practical. Obviously I could use a Sharpie and write on the lid, but I like to put it on the side of the jar so I can see it a little bit better. I also thought I'd get some work done out in the goat barn since it's so nice out, and I want to get all the hay cleaned out, put them down some fresh bedding, and get them ready for the snow that's going to be coming. done being a menace? You ready to come out? Yeah. Give me a second. After dragging me across the driveway, we're finally back in the goat barn. She's checking everything out. She approves. Fresh hay, fresh bedding. What more could a girl ask for? Okay, so we're back in the kitchen after 4 hours at 225 degrees. We have completely dehydrated orange slices. I'm going to be putting these in teas, in cakes. I might even string some up for garland for like a decoration, or like use them as like a sun catcher in my kitchen. I don't know. They turned out really good. They smell amazing. They'd be great for like a stovetop potpourri too. There's so many uses. I'm so excited. Thanks for following me around on the homestead today, and thanks for watching this video, and we'll catch you next time.